So it's a warm, humid day here in the greenhouse. It's 76 degrees and 97% humidity. And I was gonna do an update on this plant. I've done a hybrid spotlight on it before, I think that last spring. But this is a glandulifera cross ephippiata, Rose Mountains, from Exotica plants that I got in the Red Leaf Exotics fall import in 2020. So this has been pretty vigorous, well-established rooty cutting of the Exotica plants specimen that they have growing in their greenhouse, and it's done pretty well this year, putting out 5 pitchers, getting taller, increasing the diameter. Seems like a really happy plant. So here's an aged pitcher. This came out a couple months ago. So in contrast to a new pitcher, which is one back here, the pitchers start out very yellow and brightly colored, and they stay this way for about a month or so, and then they eventually start fading to this, which I think is super cool. They start getting kind of coppery. The pitcher bodies kind of turn green and reddish. The interiors start kind of turning a similar color, and yeah, so this is a natural hybrid, a very rare natural hybrid found in the Rose Mountains in Borneo. You can really see a lot of glandulifera traits in this plant, with the stripy, colorful peristome, especially when they first open, and then the lid paint. And here there's a little bit of exudate on the other underside of the lid. Sometimes these pitchers will have lid hairs. Some pitchers more than others really exhibit that trait, but this one doesn't have as many lid hairs, but it does have some exudate as a result of the ephippiata genetics that it has. And yeah, a really nice blend between the two parents. Really, if you ever look at a picture of a glandulifera upper, you see a lot of the similarities, but you also see the toilet bowl-ness and the woodiness of the pitcher body that comes from the ephippiata. So I'm really hoping at some point that not only I'm hoping that for a flower, so I can make some cool hybrids with this, but also for a basil. I really want to see some lower pitchers, because the lower pitchers are honestly just as nice. And if I had both going on this plant, that'd be really cool. So yeah, this is glandulifera ephippiata, Rose Mountains.